founder of Wipro and chairman as well. He is none other than Azim Premji, and I personally believe his thoughts and his sayings. And he is an Indian entrepreneur and also a businessman, investor, and philanthropist as well. And he was born on 24th July 1945. He is the founder and chairman of Wipro. Sorry. His father, Mr. Mohammad Azim Premji, he started a Western Indian Vegetable Products Limited company, which is based on manufacturing of cooking oil under the brand name Vanaspati. And thereafter, after 4 decades of diversification and growth, Mr. Azim Premji, he renamed the company as Wipro and then entered into the most important sector and nowadays, that is IT sector. And he mostly followed diversification and growth strategies. And he converted his family-run business into a large enterprise. And in 2001, Premji established Azim Premji Foundation. So under this foundation, he built nearly 3,20,000 schools, and he provided education for nearly 7 states for all the people, like students in 7 states. And thereafter in 2006, the foundation was recognized as the Corporate Citizen of the Year by Economic Times. He established Azim Premji University. So even from this university, most of the students will get scholarships, and so that they can study whatever they wish. And in 2010, he donated $52 billion for improving the school education. And Azim Premji established many charities and foundations as well. And through his Azim Premji Foundation, he nearly contributed 7,092 crores, I think, 7,092 crores, which is 17 times of all the contributions which that foundation got. Nearly from all the people, the foundation got 495 crores, I think, and into 17 times he has contributed from his wealth. And every year he contributes nearly 25% of his wealth to this charity, and so that he doesn't have any wealth. He is very simple, down to earth, and he never led a luxurious life. He always is interested in contributing his wealth to poor people and his charity main. And Azim Premji said, "I strongly believe that those of us who are privileged to have wealth should contribute significantly to try and create a better world for the millions who are far less privileged." So this takes that most of the people, they were underprivileged, like they don't have much wealth, and could not, some people they even sacrifice their wishes in case of lack of money or anything. So that's the reason he personally says to all the millionaires or billionaires, you contribute your wealth for the people who are far less privileged. And that's it all about Azim Premji. Success is achieved twice, once in the mind and the second in the time in the real world. This is the saying of Azim Premji which I follow. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Yashwant. Came from Srikakulam. How many of you playing cricket? Watching cricket? How many? One thing keep in mind in 2011 World Cup.
MS Dhoni last six.
Not just helicopter shot and hard six. Right? That's it. So I would like to present him as my favorite sports star. As said that the statement is given by Sunil Gavaskar when he dies that he want to see the last six hit by the MS Dhoni in the World Cup final. Okay, that was the privilege he has given. And then his full name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He born in on 7th July 1981. That's why his jersey number is 7. And he born in Ranchi, that is Jharkhand. His parents' name is Pan Singh, father name, and mother name is Devaki Devi. And he is a right-hand batsman, and he is a well-known wicket keeper also. And his nicknames is Mahi, Captain Cool, and Taleva in Tamil. Next, his achievement as an Indian captain, many he achieved, many trophies. In that, among that, the best is first one is ICC World Cup 2007 and T20 World Cup 2007 and World Cup 2011, and he won 4 IPL trophies and ICC Champion Trophy also he won, and Champions League Trophy conducted by ICC on T20 World. They are also won. And awards and achievements, he awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan and ICC ODI Player of the Year in 2008 and 2009 respectively. Many persons don't know his charitable activities. He is established a MS Dhoni Charitable Foundation, and then as per an article on MS Stars, MS Dhoni is among the top charitable activities conducted by him. In that list also covered Kapil Dev, Yuvraj Singh, Sachin Tendulkar. And his pick is CRPF. He donates 2 crores to CRPF. And then he also coordinated with the Virat Kohli Charitable Foundation. And then it is application like that. Rishi Foundation, he also established with the foundation, and with that he also works with. Rishi Foundation is worked with upliftment of young athletes. This is the pick in World Cup. With the bat he auctioned 80 crores. That 80 crores is also donated to orphans. And then after he achieves that kind of heights, he wanted to serve a nation as an army. This is the favorite shots. Many people know. Helicopter shot. Order. is the last hit in 2000 World Cup.
Dhoni finishes